Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 1st of July 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Professor M.S. Narasimhan, who passed away recently, was a renowned who has won the ICC Men's Player of the Month for the April month 2021. K.K. Agarwal, who passed away recently, was the former president of which organization? Who has won men's single title at Emilia Romagna Open? Name the Indian who has won the Whitley Award 2021, also known as Green Oscar. Whitley Award. Which sports organization of India has won the prestigious Athena Glincher Award? Indu Jain, who passed away, was the chairman of which media group? Homen Borgohain, who passed away recently, had won the Sahitya Academy in 1978 for his which novel? Venugopal Chandrasekhar, who passed away, was associated with which sport? Congress leader Raghunandan Lal Bhatia, who passed away recently, was the former governor of which state? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May. And let's discuss the answers. The Professor M.S. Narasimhan is a renowned mathematician. ICC Men's Player of the Month for the month of April is Babar Azam. Babar Azam from Pakistan. And who's from female? Aliza Healy. And she's from Australia. K.K. Agarwal passed away, was the former president of Indian Medical Association. Who has won the women's single title is Coco Gauff has won the women's single title at Emilia Romagna Open. Who has won Whitley Award? Nucleoform, and he is from Nagaland. Which sports organization of India has won the prestigious is Hockey India. Indu Jain, Times Group. Indu Jain was the chairman of Times Group. Homen Borgohain, Pita Putra. The novel is Pita Putra. Venugopal was associated with table tennis. Congress leader Raghunandan Lal Bhatia, the governor of Kerala and Bihar. So let's start our today's current affairs. 1st of July every year is observed as SBI Day. In which year SBI was nationalized? The State Bank of India was nationalized in 1955. Earlier it was known as Imperial Bank of India. And this bank has been established in 1921. Later in 1955, the name has been changed to State Bank of India. In 1951, the name has been changed, and in 1955, it has been nationalized, State Bank of India. And State Bank of India is the largest bank of India. And State Bank of India in 2017, it has been merged with five associates and one Bharatiya Mahila Bank. And who is the chairman? Dinesh Kumar Kar is the chairman of State Bank of India, headquartered in Mumbai. PM Modi inaugurated the Zen Garden and Kaizen Academy in which city of Ahmedabad? So he has inaugurated in Ahmedabad. In Ahmedabad, through video conference, he has launched this in Ahmedabad. Who is the Chief Minister of Gujarat? Vijay Rupani. Vijay Rupani. Who is the okay? So who is the Chief Justice? Vikram Nath. You can remember this. Vikram Nath. Name the archery who has won the 3 gold medal at the Archery Association Archery World Cup Stage 3 in Paris. So this is Deepika Kumari. Deepika Kumari has won the won not only one 3 gold medals at Archery World Cup stage in Paris. Who is the Minister for Archery? He is Arjun Munda. Arjun Munda. Whose constituency is Khunti in Jharkhand. If you talk about Asian Boxing Championship, which was held in Dubai, in men's category, who has won? Sanjit at 91 kg category, and in women's category, Pooja Rani has won. Pooja Rani has won under 75 kg category. Under 75 kg category. So you can remember this. Who has been granted this year's Spanish Princeless Asturias Literature Award? So this has been given to Emmanuel Carrer. Emmanuel Carrer has been granted this year's Spanish Prince of the Literary Award. Jharkhand State Cricket Association has decided to construct an international cricket stadium in which city? So this is in Bokaro. In Bokaro city of Jharkhand, they have decided to construct an international cricket stadium. Hemant Soren is the Chief Minister of Jharkhand, and Draupadi Murmu is the governor. He is the governor of. And if you talk about Jharkhand, they have launched Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana. Kisan Fasal Rahat Yojana, and Yam Rama Joyce, former governor of Jharkhand, and Bihar, passed away recently, and they have launched Sanjeevani vehicles. Sanjeevani vehicles has been launched by the Jharkhand government. In Jharkhand, we have the constituency of Arjun Munda, the tribal affair minister. Reliance Jio and which organization has entered into a 5G partnership to connect Indians to a faster internet? So this is Google. So Google has entered into a partnership with Reliance for 5G partnership. The T20 World Cup scheduled to be held in India. It has been shifted to which country due to COVID-19? So this is UAE in Abu Dhabi. UAE's capital is Abu Dhabi. All the T20 World Cups to be held in UAE. Not only T20, so T20 World Cup is to be held in UAE. And IPL also, now I remember. IPL also going to be held in UAE. Who has been appointed as the acting Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh High Court? So the name is Ravi Kumar Malimat. Ravi Kumar Malimat has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Himachal Pradesh. Who is the Chief Minister? Jairam Thakur. Jairam Thakur is the Chief Minister. And if you talk about the Chief Justice of India, who is Uttarakhand? R.S. Chauhan. Who is for Karnataka? Abhay Kumar Mishra. Abhay Srinivas. Abhay Srinivas. Who is Guwahati? Sudhanshu Dhulia has been stepped down. His name is Robin. Who is for Kerala? Yes, Mani Kumar. Who is for Calcutta? Prashant Kumar Mishra. Who is for Gujarat High Court? Vikram Nath. Who is for Telangana? She is a female. Hema Kohli, the only female Chief Justice of India in Telangana High Court. So you can remember this. Who has become the first swimmer from India to qualify from the Tokyo Games? So the name is Sanjit Prakash. So Sanjit Prakash has become the first swimmer from India to qualify for Tokyo Olympics. In the seventh question, if you talk about UAE, there is a Barakah nuclear power plant, Rashid lunar rover mission, Rashid rover into the space by 2024. They have said they will send Rashid lunar rover mission by 2024. And India, France, UAE, they do a military exercise named Varuna. And Asian boxing championship I already told, IPL also it already told. So let's move forward. Which Formula 1 driver has won the title for Styrian Grand Prix? So who has won? It is Max Verstappen. Max Verstappen has won the Formula 1 driver titled Styrian Grand Prix. Who has been appointed as the director of the National Institute of Technology, Teacher Training and Research? Who is the name? She is Usha Natesan. Usha Natesan has been appointed as the director for National Institute of Technology, Teachers Training Research. President Kovind was born in which state? So recently he has visited to his hometown in Uttar Pradesh. Amitabh Kant has been reappointed as the CEO of Niti Aayog for how many years? He has got the 1 year extension. If you talk about Niti Aayog, who is the chairman? Chairman is always the Prime Minister, and the CEO is Amitabh Kant. The Vice Chairman is Rajiv Kumar. Niti Aayog has released a third edition of Sustainable Development Goal Index. Sustainable Development Goal Index. In this, Kerala has topped, and Bihar is the worst. And Kerala has topped in this index, Sustainable Development Goal Index. What is the rank of India in cyber security? So India's rank is 10 and topped by USA. USA is at top number 1, followed by UK. So the India's rank is 110. So these were the current affairs of 1st of July, and see you on 2nd of July.